Today I will show you step by step how to backtest and improve any trading strategy, completely for free, with zero coding, just using AI. Make sure you watch till the last step. If you do this wrong, you might end up with a strategy that loses money. Step 1. Getting your data. To run a good backtest, we need historical market data. Without good data, the AI cannot help you. And now we won't pay for it, we will use MetaTrader 5. First, download MetaTrader 5 and open a free demo account. Then just press Ctrl U to open up your symbols and go to bars. Here you can select the Forex pair, index or crypto you will be trading, as well as the time frame you want to trade on. After this, just select your range you will be hedging your data from and request it. After you get your data, click on Export Bars to save your CSV table into your local driver. Step 2. Preparing your AI. Now we go to ChatGPT or Claude. Start a new chat and start prompting. I put the exact same prompts you need to use in the pinned comment below. They are 100% free, all it costs is hitting the subscribe button. But wait, we don't just upload the data right away, we have to prepare the AI first. Go into the comments, copy the first prompt and paste it in. This tells the AI to act like a professional data analyst and puts it into strategy analysis mode. Once the AI says it is ready, we give it our trading style and our rules. If you don't know how to answer everything, just leave the brackets like risk, reward or indicators on the default settings. The AI will simply ask you the questions it needs to run a proper backtest. Then we just send the second prompt into AI. This is how your AI's response should look like. Questions to clarify your strategy, initial assessment of your strategy, and so on. Don't worry, if the AI asks questions, just answer them honestly, so it has the information it needs to make a proper backtest. Step 3. Testing and improving. This is the most important part. Upload the MetaTrader 5 data file from step 1 and paste a final prompt from the comments and hit send. The AI will look at the data, test your rules and give you your backtest results. But listen closely. A perfect backtest is often too good to be true. We need to make it realistic. And this is the secret sauce I talked about at the beginning. Don't just take the first result. Tell the AI to test it again, but this time include broker fees, spread and slippage. Ask the AI, what are the weaknesses of this strategy or what small changes would you suggest to make it better. Let the AI do the hard work and improve your setup today. Now you know how to test and improve your trading strategies without writing any code or paying for software. Take your ideas, test them and trust the data. If this video helped you today, drop a like, subscribe for more logical trading content and tell me in the comments which strategy you will backtest first. Have a profitable week. Peace out.